Everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Album. Last week I showed how I made this mini album, and this week I'm going to show you what I made from the scraps. I already did a little book nook that's a separate video, but here I'm going to show you some cards that I made with the scraps left over. So let's get started. All right, so the cards I made for scraps are for all different uses. So in this one, I just used the cut apart. He is so adorable. I thought he could stand alone. I'm going to just leave him in my stash. I know the right time will come. I could just inside write something about it or stamp happy birthday or whatever I feel, but he was just too adorable to pass up. So there's that. I had gotten this new little sewing machine and I was practicing with it and just made this little thing. I thought, you know what, I'll use it. I'll put it on a card. So I made it as a happy Easter card. In fact, I made a bunch of Easter cards. These duckies were perfect, I thought, for a welcome new baby kind of thing. So I had all these miscellaneous stamps in my stash. So this one that said welcome little one I thought was cute. And then I fussy cut a duck to put on it. It's just on brown cardstock, craft colored, and then I made panels with some dark green cardstock and then put the paper on top of it. The panels themselves, I'll measure for you, were 1.25 inches. The paper was 1.125 inches. So you can go in it in 1.25 inches by 5 1/4, just so you know where to start. So cute, 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 cute. Okay, another adorable character from the paper collection. Obviously, I just cut him. I think that's 3 3 1/4 is the larger square, and then I think that's exactly three. So 3 1/4 by 3 1/4 and 3 by 3, just to frame him. And I stamped happy birthday there in the corner. I think this was 7/8. That's an inch. That's 1 1/8 inches, and that's 1 1/4 inches. It didn't actually work out perfectly, but yeah, but it was okay. And I fussy cut a little frog to go on the bottom and wrote happy birthday. Another welcome little one, and obviously I'm just using this cut apart and put it on some of the blue paper. Simple but easy. Oh, the pig has a prime place in Easter for some people, so he should have a prime place on the card. So I just put a strip of a scrap paper. I had some green, mounted him on some white cardstock, and then put that on some green buffalo check, I guess, paper. And happy Easter there. Here's another froggy card. Another welcome little one. I guess that's what I thought the ducks needed to be used for. This is just a piece of ribbon. You could use scrap paper, but I had ribbon with me. I just took this to the beach with me, all the scrap papers, and when I had a couple of minutes, I would just go ahead and make a card. While everyone was watching TV, I just sat in the back and cut some paper. So, yeah, so that's cut, and then that's a border strip, and that just says sweet friend, so this could be anything you want. This is sort of a fun fold card. It opens like that, and the rabbit is perfect there. I mean, that's just a cut apart. I backed on some cardstock and added about a 3/4 inch strip of paper there. I thought it came out really neat. I don't know what this card will be. If I had a welcome to your new home stamp, that's what it would be. I raised this. I actually used pieces of chipboard, put it on some cardstock, and then put this in the back and put that on cardstock. And oh, I did write Happy Easter on there, but it really could be welcome to your new home. I just stamped happy birthday on here because I loved the hedgehog or whatever that animal is. Another happy Easter card, simple. I just this was at the end of the pile. You already saw one like that, but I did fussy cut this froggy. Yeah, had a lot of that paper and just added happy Easter. This was on the back of the cut apart page, and they were adorable bunnies. So again, a little strip of ribbon, happy Easter, and yeah, that's it. Pretty simple. Oh, this one Another fun fold card with a band. Don't ask me how I made this because that was last week and I don't exactly know the measurements. I guess this was 3 3/8 you score, and then I rotated it and scored 3 3/8 and cut it down. And obviously you can see it's not a perfect cut, but it made a cute little Easter card with a cute little belly band. And then it slips right up there and goes down, and that just makes a pretty card. I just had cut this out for another project. I didn't use it. I just tied a little thing of some twine and Happy Easter to that and just left it. That's all. Pretty simple. Here is the same rabbits. This was in the 8x8 paper. I just cut this out to fit on a card. I just thought it was a really cute image and just put the Happy Easter stamp there. And again, the bunnies, it says Happy Easter. And again, the bunnies, and it says Happy Easter. I just put that inside. So those were just cards I made using scraps left over from the Charlotte's Friends paper collection, which you can get at Country Craft Creations. It is fabulous, and I hope you enjoy seeing all of these cards that I made. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.